So this is going to be a video of replacing the PCV valve that you see right here. Okay, so replacing the PCE valve, this part right here that you see, this is the new one right here. So I'm going to replace the old one. So this hose right here that you see, pretty much it just comes out with a little bit of force if necessary. Just pull it back, there you go. So yeah, once you got the hose removed, what you would do now is take this valve and turn it 90 degrees down. So yeah, like if you were to open a faucet or something. All right, so and then just wiggle it out. Yeah, so here is the old one. You can see it pretty clogged up. There's grease everywhere. When you shake it, you can tell that ball that's supposed to rattle, it's getting stuck once in a while. And the new one here sounds much better. So now to put it back in, you would just do the reverse thing that you did. Just put it in and spin it upwards. There you go. And it's very simple. There you go. You turn it 90 degrees back to the position it was, and just attach the hose. There you go. That's done. Just attach the hose. It's very simple on these 4.7 Magnum engines. A minute or two of work and it's done. So this is on a Dodge Ram 1500 4.7 liter. 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. So that's where it's located, the PCV valve.